Okay. Wait, where are you? Okay, there we go. Okay, let me see if I can focus. Wait, where'd it go? Where am I? Oh, here we go. Hey, y'all, like, I'm new to all this. But I know how to freaking focus. What? You know what? I know how to focus on this doggone phone. And I think this is some trickery with whatever this bug is. Because for some reason, I can focus on everything else in this bed, but I can't focus on the bug. What the hell? Nor the eggs. The reason why we're here. The reason that we're here. Y'all know nothing about that. You don't know nothing about it. So, the reason that we are right here, dang dog, why can't I? God damn. Okay. Y'all, I can't focus on it. But, right this very moment, and of course the train will come through. Let's wait a couple seconds. It's another honk. And of course, maybe another one. Maybe another. Okay. Is that right at this very moment, this damn thing is laying some eggs. You know what? I'm just gonna have to take a picture so you all can see. Oh, there it is. Nice and freaking clear. So what I need y'all to let me know is, what the hell is it? Why is it on my garlic? And that's all I need y'all to do. And and how do I deter it or